In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView. This pattern is a popular chart formation used by traders to identify potential buying opportunities. Let's go through the steps to effectively draw and analyze it on your chart. First, you'll want to open your chart on either a daily or weekly time frame. These time frames are generally ideal for this analysis because they provide more reliable signals compared to shorter time frames. Once your chart is set, we can dive into drawing the pattern itself. Let's start by illustrating the cup portion of this pattern. You can use the trend line or arc tool available in TradingView to trace the rounded bottom of the cup. It's essential to ensure this curve is smooth and symmetrical, as it represents a gradual shift in price momentum. The cup formation typically resembles a U shape, and getting this right is crucial since it sets the foundation for the entire pattern. Next, draw a horizontal line at the top level, touching both rims of the cup. This serves as a reference point where the price action meets resistance before pulling back to form the handle. It essentially marks the high point of the cup. Take your time to position this horizontal line accurately, as it will help you identify potential breakout points later on. Now, let's move on to the handle. Starting from the right rim of the cup, draw a downward-sloping trend line to connect the highs of the handle. This trend line should capture the minor price pullback following the cup formation, which is characteristic of the handle in this pattern. The handle often forms at an angle as buyers briefly step back before pushing the price upwards again, completing the pattern. Optionally, you can also draw a horizontal line at the low point of the handle. This line is quite useful if you want to set a stop-loss level, as it represents a point where the price shouldn't fall below if the pattern holds true. This additional step can enhance your risk management strategy by providing a clearer boundary for potential losses. Take a moment to review your drawing. The complete cup and handle pattern should now be visible on your TradingView chart, providing you with a clear visual aid to identify potential trading opportunities. Remember to monitor any breakout signals near the resistance level, as these can offer insights into possible entry points. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully draw and use the cup and handle pattern in TradingView to make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.